While home renovations can refresh your living space, they also cause disruptions and put your belongings at risk. Whether you're updating one room or remodeling your entire home, you must take the necessary steps to protect your valuables, furniture, and essential items. Without proper planning, your belongings can be scratched, broken, or permanently damaged during construction. Fortunately, you can keep your possessions safe while your home gets an upgrade. Let's discuss 6 ways to safeguard these important items. Declutter before starting renovations. By decluttering your home before renovations, you can reduce the number of items at risk of damage and protect your belongings. Sort through each space and remove anything unnecessary or unsafe. Consider donating, selling, or discarding items to lighten the load. Fewer belongings make packing, storing, and organizing easier while creating a safer, more efficient work environment. Decluttering also allows you to start fresh after the renovation has been completed. Taking your inventory of your belongings ensures that nothing is lost, damaged, or, forgotten during the renovation process. This involves creating a detailed list of valuable or fragile items, including photos or videos, especially when you're overseeing a home renovation. This documentation can be helpful for insurance claims if needed down the line. Organizing your inventory makes it easier to track where items are stored during the process and, honestly, makes the move back a whole lot simpler. You can protect your belongings from damage by keeping them in temporary storage solutions. Consider renting delivered storage containers or using portable containers to move the items to another location. For smaller projects, you can store your valuables in a protected room away from the construction zone. Besides protecting your belongings, temporary storage creates a clutter-free environment for smoother renovation. Use plastic sheeting or heavy-duty drop cloths to protect furniture and other large items from paint and scratching during a home renovation. When possible, move items away from active work areas. Anchor immovable items securely to prevent accidental bumps or tipping. For better safety, consider using corner protectors and padding. These precautions ensure that your belongings remain in good condition throughout the renovation. So, to prevent debris and dust damage during your renovation, you'll want to seal work areas using plastic barriers or zip walls. Make sure to close off vents too, so particles don't end up circulating throughout your home. And honestly, using air purifiers and vacuuming regularly can really help minimize dust buildup on your belongings. So, you'll want to cover the floors, furniture and electronics with protective materials, just to keep them safe. Make sure to keep doors closed and install doormats at entry points to your home, because that really helps reduce the spread of dust. Ensuring your belongings adds an extra layer of protection in case of accidental damage, theft, or loss. It's important to review your current homeowner's or renter's insurance policy just to make sure it covers risks related to renovation. You may also need to add temporary coverage or even increase your existing limits depending on your situation. Don't forget to document your valuables with photos and receipts to support any potential claims. Having the proper insurance really ensures peace of mind while your home is under construction. Since home renovations can put your belongings at risk, you can protect them by decluttering before you start taking an inventory and using temporary storage solutions. You can also secure your furniture and large items, prevent debris and dust damage, and get insurance for your belongings to safeguard